It is going down in here. This hack may make the video. Baboo, dude. It's a declutter makeover and making laundry easier. I am not kidding. I think we could all use that. And this video is proudly sponsored by Thredup. Welcome. I am so glad you're here. Let's jump into it. You hold on to things that you don't need. And when you don't go through it, you don't know what you have. As 2020 draws to a close, you deserve to love on a space you spend a lot of time in. Tell me if this is you too. Your laundry room has more stuff than it needs. Our problem wasn't that I tried to organize, it was that the systems were no longer working. There were too many things in there, and laundry was always ending up on the floor. So as these things usually go, I started around midnight, and Charlie and I began by letting go of what really bothered us. It was a lot easier taking down wire shelving than we thought. And once we patched everything up, I started to let go of what we squirreled away. What? Oh, we have masks! I have 2 trash cans. I feel like I'm at the point in life where I don't want to be more productive. I just want to have less to do and less choices to make. You know what I mean? Once I'd cleared everything out, I went to the garage to get an old can of paint. I think we all have one of these sitting around, and that way I didn't have to spend a dime. It's gonna feel like a new space, and I'm thankful for it. Oh no! What's on your mind? Carson's in the hallway reading. The shelves and brackets were under $10 from the hardware store. Oh my gosh, my neck hurts from holding this up. We have to redo the whole thing?
I think so.
It's the moment of truth.
Yeah.
It works!
Oh my goodness.
Recycling and these little changes made a big difference, and I'll be sure to link all the items in the description below. If you have these wire shelves that you take out, you can actually cut these down and put these into your cabinets to help store cans. Pro tip for you, and even more motivation to redo your laundry room. This space tells such a story of simplicity, and over the years I've really upgraded my wardrobe and things that I put on my body that I love, and they're really worth taking care of. Makes you want to take care of your space too when you're taking care of yourself. And for years and years I've talked about Thredup. It's the largest secondhand clothing store in the world with name brands. I cannot wait to show you this new order. Do you guys remember that sweater that I showed in a recent Christmas video? All of your comments are, where did you get it? It was secondhand on Thredup, and it was $13. Originally retails for $40. Quality things are so much easier to take care of. They have thousands of brands on their site. Let me show you these new finds. The ASOS shirt that I'm wearing today, I got for 15 bucks. It originally retails for 40, along with my American Eagle jeans for 15 bucks. And these Jessica Simpson flats I got for $20, and they retail for 95. They are so comfortable. Oh my goodness. I also love this Diane von Furstenberg shirt. Brand new, Forever 21 pullover. I got it for $13. It retails for $30. It's super comfortable and perfect for winter. And oh man, this brand new with tags $90 Calvin Klein blazer, it was just 20 bucks. This poncho is from Anthropologie, and truth be told, I never thought I would ever own anything from there, but when it's under $50, it is a super score. I wear this all the time, and it is so comfortable. And if you use the code DIME30, you're gonna get 30% off of your first order on Thredup. So I will be sure to link everything down below. And I'm feeling the sweater vibe, so I'm just gonna keep wearing this. Everything that's left in this space are the home run products. And the first I wanna show you is my Chi handheld steamer. I actually stopped using my iron. I've never liked ironing anyway. This works so fast, and I can easily do it on the back of the door with all of those quality garments. Simple containers actually help me feel more relaxed in a space. I found these all at Walmart, or I thrifted them. One of my favorite is this clear container for all of my detergent. They don't have any fragrance to them, which I really love, and I keep all the extras in this little cubby covered by fabric. I keep baking soda in the laundry room, and whenever I want to wash my towels, I don't use detergent. I sprinkle a little in the bottom, and then I add some vinegar right to where you'd add your fabric softener. This takes all the smell out of your musty towels. Definitely try this one. I also switched over to wool dryer balls, and all of the stain removers that I use, I've only kept a couple that I use every time. My Fels Naphtha bar is less than $1, and this is what I use on any stains on my garment. I also find it helps to keep a little spray bottle nearby if you don't have access to a sink. You just get the garment a little tiny bit wet. And if I have any super set-in ones, the trick, yes, the real trick is Goo Gone. Anything more than a Fels Naphtha bar, I always use this stuff. It will take off stickers that's on your garment. Anything basically comes right off, including oils. And to keep all of my whites bright, I've talked about this in a few videos, I use Out White Bright. You can find it at Walmart. It's really affordable, and I just soak garments prior to washing. I keep a few extra Carbona color grabbers so I can wash my darks and my colors together. Simplicity for the win. But I think the biggest change is having actual space now to get all that laundry off the floor and into baskets on the shelves. As soon as I take clothes out of the dryer, I sort them based on kids and adults, so it's really easy to take and put away. And then I maximize hidden storage with this collapsible laundry basket. I got this from Costco for just $8 in case we have some extra loads. And of course, I can't forget my Dollar Tree folding board that I made with dish mats and duct tape. And I operate under the 80-80 rule. I talked about this in a recent Instagram post, and it reminded me I wanted to say it again in a video. I aim for 80% of my laundry to be done 80% of the time, so I do it every couple of days. I stand firmly behind everything I mentioned in this video. I love it all so much, and I'll be sure to leave links down below. If you guys enjoyed this video and want more like it, definitely leave it a big thumbs up. I'm gonna have a link in my description and comments down below to Thredup. You save 30% off of your first order using the code DIME30. I'm so excited for you guys to give it a try. I have loved it for so many years. Thank you so much for being here. If nobody has told you today, you are enough, and I will catch you guys in the next video. Love ya, bye. Oh, it's here.
It's my pew pew gun.
Everybody's here. Okay, so what you do,
It's my pew pew gun.
in spite of all odds,
He's shooting.
we find a way.
Copper, no.